shared those many years ago? What were all those plans we made now left beside the road, behind us in the road? More than friends I always pledge, 'cause friends they come and go. People change, as does everything. I wanted to grow old, I just want to grow old. Slide on next to me, I'm just a human being. I will take the blame, but just the same, this is not me. You see, believe I'm better than this. Don't leave me so cold, I'm buried beneath the stones. I just want to hold on and know I'm worth your love. And
mine fingre.
It's my fault now I've been caught up.
Det er ikke særlig sjovt, det her. Det er 5 grader i øjeblikket. Lidt koldere, da jeg vågnede. Og der blæser en modbydelig vind op fra Pyrenæernes fodbjerg, som jeg kæmper med. Jeg har ikke regnet med, at det skulle være så koldt så tidligt. Det er minus 7 grader. Og det er, needless to say, en kold fornøjelse at ligge ud her fra morgenstunden fra Cahors, centrale Frankrig. Jeg har fået sovet godt og længe og varmt, så det er lidt af et chok at komme herud. Temperaturen er lige faldet 25 grader i forhold til værelsestemperaturen. Fra 18 til minus 7. Well, en del af lejen, siger det.
Yes, I understand that every life must end. As we sit alone, I know.
Det er endnu en meget, meget kold dag her i det centrale Frankrig. Minus 4-5 grader er det, og det har sneet hele dagen fra en grå, tosset, træls himmel. Men ja, det er sgu svært at holde motivationen høj, det må jeg indrømme. Specielt når der er 1700 km endnu, 1600 km til Middelfart. Det nærer mig lidt. Jeg nyder det på ingen måde.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Practiced on my sins, never gonna let me win. Under everything, just another human being. Yeah, I don't wanna hurt. There's so much in this world to make me bleed. Stay with me, oh, all I see. Did I say that I need you? Did I say that I knows this more than me. As I come clean, I wonder every day as I look upon your face. Everything you gave and nothing you would take on. Nothing you would take. Everything you gave. Did I say that I need